In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange product gallery images in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at Modern Sofa product on my site. As you can see, it comes with 3 images. The first one is the main product image, and the other 2 are the gallery images. Let's assume we need to rearrange them so the yellow sofa image is the last one in the list. To make this change, first we'll log into WordPress admin account, then on the left side of the screen, hover on products, then select all products. Now look for the product in question. In my case is this one, Modern Sofa, then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at top right corner, click on Screen Options, and then set the checkmark for the product gallery. Now scroll a bit down on the right side of the screen, look for the product gallery section. Let's expand it. Here are the 2 additional gallery images. To rearrange them, simply click on the image and drag it to a desired position. Now scroll all the way to the top and then click on Update. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as you can see, the gallery images were rearranged and the yellow sofa image is now last on the list. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful. If more WordPress tutorials, please comment on my channel. Thank you.